Come on.
No.
Come on, he went to 6. You gotta do the 6. He went to 6.
If I do it, you gotta do it more.
Yeah.
Fingertips.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. Ready? All right. 3.
Oh!
That's a tingly one.
Yeah.
Keep going. The last one who doesn't do it has to take a shot.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah.
7 or 8?
And this is why women last
Why do I gotta go first? I want to see your expression first before I do this.
You want me to go first?
No, it's okay. I got this.
I heard that.
You know, it's just a vibrate. I tricked him.
I was like, damn, that was loud.
I was prepared.
Because I felt this whole thing vibrate. Like, oh my God.
On the floor.
Ready?
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Holy fuck-a-doodle-doo. God, I still feel it. I feel it like it feels like the current is wrapping around my wrist. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, that did not seem real.
What are we doing? 9 or 10?
I say go one at a time.
Exclamation point. They give us a warning now. Now we got a warning.
Hold on, let my wrist get some feeling right now.
Switch hands.
You feel it in your wrist?
My fingers definitely feel like they just got some shit.
It's my wrist that I feel then.
You ready?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, shit.
Hold on, wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Hold on.
You make it work.
Okay, go.
You see why I was nervous? Does it go on?
That man gets you to the elbow.
No fucking way. It goes. Can we see how high it goes first? Okay.
I think it goes to 13?
16.
16.
Oh my god.
What are we on, 12 now?
Well, at least we're going up in increments of 2. This would be a really long day if we were going in increments of 1.
Okay,
What happens
what-
if we tie?
I don't know.
Do we both
What
take a
number are we
shot?
at?
This is 12.
Go ahead, Jason.
Holy shit.
You want to record?
Hold on.
You're making him die over here.
Go ahead.
I love how he's like,
That was a bad one. That was a bad one.
Kyle has minimal.
That was a
Kyle has no expression. He's like,
14.
that was a bad one. So this is 14?
Yeah.
My arm's numb up to the elbow.
Did you hear that? It fucking went zoom. You're like, I like this one. You don't even hear the little zoom at the end. Hey, you need to. If you want to record this.
Okay, hold on. Okay, go.
Oh!
You hear it too? You hear it too?
That one got my knees going.
Be careful, I'm playing with old man over here. You might have a heart attack.
Palpitations.
This is the final.
This is the last one.
This is the final. So is it already up?
Yeah, it's on 16 already.
Okay. That's so bad.
Wait, you barely had it like dramatic expression on that one. I didn't like that
It's
one.
bad. I feel my whole hand tingling. It feels like my whole hand already has it.
Whoa.
I think we both take a shot.
All right,
Are we going?
your turn.